The dyno warning is going to tell people how to fix their application environment in order for the source code to run properly. If you don't have the correct environment, you see this message and the application crashes instantaneously on the client side. Here's where you want to go to fix that problem on the Heroku CLI. You need to run this right here. Let's look at the code now. We've added this new variable called URL site OK. It's going to be set to not OK to crash the client side if we do not have access to the correct environment variables. This is the full message right here you saw at the beginning of the tutorial. Here is where we do the actual crash. If this variable is equal to not OK, everything goes boom. Here's where we're doing the pre-processing on server.js to turn it into a client-side runnable file. We're looking for Heroku app name and process.env, which will only be accessible to us if we enable that Heroku Labs feature. Here's where we build up the full domain using the HTTPS, concatenating it with the application name, and then finally appending .heroku app to get something that will look like this. Finally, we do our replace alls to pre-process the contents of the file, adding the URL site and the URL site OK contents. Finally, a footnote.